Okay, good morning, class. Today we don't have any new lesson, but I'll show you the answers, yeah, the steps, all the steps for self-practice 7.1b, yeah, question 1 and 2. So this one, you read the question carefully, yeah. The distance graph show the journey of Rajab's family, Kota Kinabalu to Keningau. Wow, Keningau is in the textbook, yeah, famous. To celebrate Pesta Ramadan. So the first question is calculate the speed in kilometer per hour of the car for the last hour. So last hour, the car moves, yeah, moves like this, and then with the speed, and then here, you know, stationary, yeah, stop, and then maybe they stop for a while, and then they continue, yeah. And then the last 1 hour will be where? Okay, will be here. 2.5, the 1 hour is 1.5 minus, yeah. So that means this area, yeah, this graph. So what you do, you just find the speed of the graph, yeah, just find the speed. So what you do, you want to find your distance first, 100 and this one 50. So 100 minus 50, you want to find this one. And then after that, you want to find the time here, yeah. So 2.5 minus 1.5 hour. So the answer will be 50 kilometer per hour. So you can write the unit here, kilometer per hour, and also you can write kilometer hour power negative 1. Yeah, it's the same thing. Don't panic. But normally teacher will write this one easy for teacher, yeah. No need to write the negative 1. Okay. So next, the question for B, for B, describe the motion of Inci Rajab's car for a period of 45 minutes after traveling for the first 50 kilometer. So you want to find which graph, So first 50 kilometer ni, where is it? This is 50 kilometer, and then for the period of 45 minutes. That means start from here, 45 minutes. So you know that this scale, it is actually 15 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, yeah. So for this one, it is actually 15 minutes times 3, it is 45 minutes, yeah. So the graph is here, yeah, the graph is here for the period of 45 minutes after traveling the first 50 kilometers. So when you see the graph is remember last time, graph is this one is moving, yeah, you have a speed, but when it is horizontal line to the parallel to the x-axis, it is meaning stop, yeah? Stop or station. So the answer is the car is stationary, yeah? Stop, yeah? Next, C calculate the average speed in kilometer per hour for the journey from Kota Kinabalu to Keningau, yeah, Kota Kinabalu to Keningau. So average speed, if you still remember, there is a formula, yeah, for average speed. Here, still distance over time, but total distance over total time, you'll get average speed. Why do you find average speed? Average speed meaning you have two different speed. First, the speed is here, And then next, uh, the speed change. Yeah, you can see also from the graph, it's not the same gradient. Yeah, so how to find the average speed? You just use this formula. Very simple. So the total distance is, first for this speed it is 50, and then for this speed it is another 50. Yeah, another 50, because 100 minus 50. Yeah. This 50 is this one. Yeah. Okay, so total is 100. Total time, very easy. It's just at the end of the graph here. Yeah. So you just put in the formula 100 kilometer divide by 2.5 hours, so you get 40 kilometer per hour, the average speed. Yeah. Okay. Next, you want to describe. Yeah, when you describe the motion of the car for the whole journey, it's very important that you state the distance, and then if the speed have different speed, that means you find the average speed. Then you must state the time. Yeah, give the time. So you answer like this: the car moves for distance of what? Distance 100 kilometer with an average speed of, this is average speed, 40 kilometer per hour in 2.5 hours. Yeah. So this is the format huh, to write, to describe. Okay. Here we go to question 2. Angie Rashid exercises every day to stay healthy. The distance time graph show the distance and time of Rashid's run from his house to playground and then back to his house. So this one is house to playground. This one is playground to house. Yeah. So the first question is calculate the difference between speed of Inchi Rashid's run from house this one to the playground and the speed playground back to the house in kilometer per hour. Yeah. So first you find the speed of this one. Okay, so you know that speed. This just refresh for you. Yeah, the difference in distance travel divided by the difference in time. So the distance is 2 kilometer. Yeah, distance is 2 kilometer for this graph. 2 kilometer, and the time is 20 minutes. Yeah. So, but because your answer must be in hour, kilometer per hour, so you have to change your minute into hour. You divide by 60. Yeah. So you will get this one. Next, the speed for from playground back to the house. Okay, remember what teacher have this negative sign over here? Why? Because the graph is going down like this. Yeah, your gradient is negative, or your speed is negative. Yeah. So what is the meaning of negative speed? Don't worry, it's only show the direction. It's right lah. This one is opposite direction. Yeah? This graph is opposite direction. That means it's going back to the house. Yeah? Okay, so the distance is 2 kilometer. This one, yeah? And then the time is here. Okay? 50 minus 20. Yeah, that's why you get 30 minutes here. But once again, you have to change into hour. You divide by 60. So you'll get negative 4 km per hour, but you don't write the negative. Negative only show the direction. So you get 4 km per hour. This one is 6 km per hour. So the difference is you just minus. You just minus. So this is the answer, 2 km per hour. Okay. Next is calculate the average speed in kilometer per hour from Rashid's whole run. So we go back to your formula for average speed, total distance over total time. So what is the total distance? Total distance is house to playground is 2 km, and then going back to the house is another 2 km. Total is 4 km. Time is of course here, 15 minutes. So you just put inside the formula. But remember, because the answer is in kilometer per hour, but here your time is 50 minutes, so you have to change. You divide by 60. So you get 4.8 km per hour for the average speed. Now you want to describe, Encik Rashid's motion for the period of 50 minutes. So remember, you have a format. The format is you have to write the distance, and then the average speed and the time. Okay, so you just write all you already calculated. So the distance is 4 km with an average speed of 4.8. 4.8, and then for 50 minutes. So that's it. You got it already. So that is for question 1 and 2. I hope you can understand. If not, I just repeat the video. Watch again. Okay, that's all. Thank you. I'll continue with question 3 and 4 for the next video.